I have the 2009 F150 4x4 Platinum Edition, and I have this problem with my gas cap not latching. And we're going to go ahead and take it off. So what I've already done here is, here's this, you'll see this little yellow ring, maybe a different color on yours. Well, you'll just pry it off, pull it off. Very easy. And then I got a 8mm flexible here. 3 screws. We'll take those off. Okay, once you get all that off, you'll notice that it is popped up right here. Alright. And this little deal might fall off on you, so it goes on that way, on the back side. Looking at it, it'll be the left side, the dip. And let me see here. And also, when you pry it out, you've got to get down here, behind here, way up in there, and then kind of push this part. I don't know if you can see that. Push on this part here. You'll think you'll be pushing on it, but you're pushing on this. So push up here. Okay, and I'm trying to get your arm out. Okay, I'm going to push back here. Oh, and also took the door panel off. I'm going to do that. Get the screwdriver for you here. And also bring it down. So I grabbed right there in the bottom, right there, and just kind of slowly squeezed, slowly. Okay, and then it should bottom down. Put your clip back on. Up. Up, turn it, and then come around, and then plug it on right there. I gotta set the phone down, but it's gonna go in there. I'll probably have to open the door. And it'll go in right there. Yeah. When you go to put it back together, make sure that when you're looking at it is about 10:30-ish. Yeah, because I had a problem at first, but it opens and closes. So, yeah, that kept popping off on me, so went and did a little research and found out that was off a little. Okay, now to drill a little pinhole there, make it a little larger. Go ahead and put a washer and then a screw in there and have a little stop. Got a shot. I was also able to bring this this piece down a little further. So, and also it will drill a hole in there. See it there? Just a little fella. Okay. Here's the drill. Let's see if I get a screw to fit that. Okay, I stepped up a little bit on this. I started with a 1/16, and I didn't do 5/64 because I broke it to 3/32. So I'm going oh so slightly, little by little, inch by inch. It's just inch, yard by yard. It's hard. Okay, I was also scrounging around the toolbox and came across a little screw here. Very little. That'll go in there. Come on, you can do it. There it is. And I found this little gem. So I'll put that on there like that. And screw it on. And see how that goes. I was able to screw that on successfully. Actually went on really nice. And it seems to ship. Good. Seems like it could go down further, but I keep pushing it down. It's not moving. So, and also this seems to be off just a tad. Actually, it looks pretty good here, but this seems to be off just a little bit. But I can't push it down any further. I want to oil it, but I'm afraid I might gum it up. So, okay, there it is. Let's go ahead and install. When you put that first part in there, in your hole, you're going to have to push right there to lock that in. Push that in there. Put her up. I'm going to have to reach behind, probably make sure that's lining up properly. Okay, what I did was I just wiggled it, you know, it went right into place here. So I'll go ahead and take my screws and screw them right back into there. And we'll take the yellow ring and put it back on. And also the door. Can't forget the door. Now we just take the little tab there, push it on. There it is. And the door, let's slide it on here. Do that without, oops. Okay, let me turn this off and I'll slide that on. There it is. A tad off. Right here, rubbing. It's that little spot right there I said was off, just a tad. So, I can live with it. Okay, looks good.